In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up sending birthday wishes to your groups in SMS-iT. On the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down to Smart Tools and open that up. Under Smart Tools, we're going to go to Birthday SMS Wishes and click there. You simply mouse over the blue Actions button and click Add Birthday SMS Wish. First things first, we're going to pick the group that we send it to. Next, we're going to call this Matt's Group Birthday Wishes. And then if you've got a message template saved, you can simply choose the template. If you don't, you can just type down here. I've got this saying, hey, this is Matt. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I hope it's as awesome as you are. And now here it says, when do I want to send it? 0 days before their birthday. I want it on their birthday. I hit save. And now anybody on that list, it's going to send them a birthday wish on their birthday if I have their birthday saved in my list. And that's how easy it is to create birthday wishes in SMS-iT.